Dear student, our topic is real numbers. Objectives: to revisit number system from natural numbers to real numbers, to learn Euclid division lemma, to understand and apply Euclid division algorithm for finding HCF of two numbers, to understand fundamental theorem of arithmetic, to find HCF and LCM using prime factorization. Learning pedagogy: to check basic number system, to test the understanding and application of Euclid division algorithm for finding HCF of two numbers, to test the basic concepts related to the chapter. History of real numbers. In mathematics, a real number is a value that represents quantity along a continuous line. The real number include all the rational, irrational, integers, whole, and natural numbers. Application in daily life. Here are various examples of real number in daily life. About the mathematicians, Euclid was a Greek mathematician who initiated a new way of thinking was the study of geometry. He made important contribution to the number theory. The word algorithm comes from the name of the Persian mathematics Al-Khwarizmi. Carl Friedrich Gauss is often referred as a prince of mathematicians and is considered one of the three greatest mathematicians of all time, along with Archimedes and Newton. He was made fundamental contribution to both mathematics and science. What are real numbers? Real number consists of all rational and irrational numbers. The real number system has many subsets: natural numbers, whole numbers, integers. What are natural numbers? Natural numbers are the set of counting numbers which start from 1. They are denoted by n. Example 1, 2, 3. What are whole numbers? Whole numbers are the set of numbers which include 0 plus the set of natural numbers. Example 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What are integers? Integer is a whole number, not a fractional number, that can be positive, negative, or 0. It is denoted by z. Example -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. What are rational numbers? Rational numbers are the numbers that can be expressed in the form of a upon b, where a and b are integers and b is not equals to 0. They can always be expressed by using terminating decimals and repeating decimals. They are written as integers divided by another integer, and denominator is not 0. And both numbers do not have common factors. Example 2 upon 3, 6 upon 7, 1. Irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are the numbers that cannot be expressed as a upon b. They are expressed as non-terminating, non-repeating decimals that go on forever without repeating a pattern. The roots of a prime numbers is irrational numbers. Examples of irrational numbers: 0.343343334333334. Next, 45.867458893 pi root 2. Hence, real number is a collection of all rational and irrational numbers. Euclid division lemma. Euclid division lemma states that for any two positive integers a and b, there exists integers q and r such that a is equal to bq plus r, where r is greater than equals to 0 and less than b. For example, if a is equal to 15, b is equal to 3, then 15 equals to 3 into 5 plus 0, where q is equal to 5 and r is equal to 0. Lemma, a proven statement using for proving another statement. Euclid division algorithm. An algorithm is a series of well-defined steps which gives a procedure for solving a type of problem. Euclid division algorithm can be used to find the HCF of two numbers. It can be used to find some common properties of numbers. To obtain the HCF of two positive integers, say a and b, where a is greater than b, we have to follow the following steps. Apply Euclid division lemma to a and b. So, find whole numbers q and r such that a is equal to bq plus r. Step 2. If r equals to 0, d is the HCF of a and b. If r does not equals to 0, apply the division lemma to b and r. Continue the process till the remainder is 0. The divisor at the stage will be required HCF. The fundamental theorem of arithmetic: every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes. This representation is called prime factorization of the number. This factorization is unique apart from the order in which prime factors occurs. Means x is equal to first prime number into second prime number into third prime number into fourth prime number into fifth prime number, where p1, p2, p3 are the primes. Here is an example of factorization of 1092. There are prime factors are 2, 3, 2, 7, 13. Application 1 of Euclid algorithm. Since 455 is greater than 42, we apply division lemma to 455 and 42. We get 455 equals to 42 into 10 plus 35. Remainder is not 0, therefore we apply lemma to 42 and 35. Then we have 42 equals to 35 into 1 plus 7. Again remainder is not 0, therefore we apply lemma to 35 and 7. 35 equals to 7 into 5 plus 0. The remainder has become 0 and we cannot proceed any further. Therefore, HCF for 455 and 42 is a divisor at the stage, that means 7. Application 2 of Euclid's algorithm. Example: show that every positive even integer is of the form of 2q and that every positive odd integer is of the form 2q plus 1, where q is some integer. Solution: let a be any positive integer and b is equal to 2. Then by Euclid algorithm, a is equal to bq plus r, that means 2q plus r, for some q is greater than equals to 0 and r equals to 0 and 1, because r is greater than equals to 0 and less than 2. So a is equal to 2q and 2q plus 1. If a is the form of 2q, then it is an even integer, also a positive integer, can be either even or odd. Therefore, any positive odd integer is of the form of 2q plus 1. Thank you.